The integration of artificial intelligence in photography has significantly impacted the industry, and its implications for future development are immense. Here are some key points to consider. Economic implications. AI-powered advancements are reshaping the photography industry. Businesses and photographers alike benefit from transformative changes, including real-time image recognition and editing during photo shoots. In summary, AI is revolutionizing photography, and its future impact promises exciting possibilities for both professionals and enthusiasts. How can AI improve photo editing? AI has revolutionized photo editing in several ways.
What are some popular AI-powered photo editing tools? Here are some popular AI-powered photo editing tools you might find useful. Adobe Photoshop, a full-featured photo editing and design app that has been a staple in the industry for years. Luminar Neo, Skylum, an AI-powered photo editor with advanced features for enhancing images and creating stunning effects. Canva, known for its design capabilities, Canva also offers AI-powered tools for photo editing and design. Pixlr, an easy-to-use online AI editor that allows you to make quick adjustments and enhancements to your photos. Lensa, a mobile AI photo editor that simplifies editing tasks on the go. These tools can help you enhance your photos, whether you're a professional photographer or just want to improve your selfies.
Are there any free AI-powered photo editors available? Here are some free AI-powered photo editors you might find useful. Pixlr. Pixlr offers an advanced photo editor and an express AI photo editor. The latter provides quick adjustments and enhancements to your photos. Canva. Known for its design capabilities, Canva also offers an AI auto enhancement feature and a magic edit tool for photo editing. Auto Enhance AI. This tool provides features like sky replacement, perspective correction, and image relighting. Lunapic. Lunapic is another option for online photo editing with AI features. Feel free to explore these tools and enhance your photos effortlessly.
What are the limitations of free AI-powered photo editors? Free AI-powered photo editors offer several advantages, but they also come with limitations. Advanced editing capabilities. Free editors may lack advanced features compared to premium software. This limitation can impact intricate product image enhancements or complex edits. Limited functionality. The range of AI-powered tools in free editors might be restricted, offering fewer options for comprehensive edits. While they can handle basic enhancements, more specialized tasks may require premium tools. Export and save options. Some free editors impose limitations on export formats or resolution, affecting the final quality of saved product images. Remember that while free AI editors are convenient, they may not cover all your editing needs.
How can I work around limitations in free editing tools? When working with free editing tools, consider these strategies to overcome limitations. Number 1, a layered approach. Use multiple free tools in combination. For example, start with a tool like Pixlr for quick adjustments. Then, use Canva for artistic filters or style transfer. For removing unwanted elements, try Lunapic. Finally, combine outputs using a simple graphic design tool like Canva. Number 2, manual tweaks. If a free tool lacks a specific feature, make manual adjustments. Use the basic tools to enhance specific areas, like brightening eyes or adjusting skin tones. You can also overlay textures or gradients manually to achieve desired effects. Number 3, learn shortcuts. Explore keyboard shortcuts or hidden features within free tools. Some functions might not be obvious but can significantly enhance your editing process. Number 4, online communities and tutorials. Join photography forums or watch YouTube tutorials. Learn creative workarounds from experienced photographers who use free tools effectively. Remember, creativity often thrives within constraints. Experiment, adapt, and enjoy the process.
How can I achieve professional results with free tools? Achieving professional results with free photo editing tools requires a combination of technique and creativity. Here are some tips. First, master the basics. Understand exposure, composition, and lighting. Even with basic tools, a well-composed photo stands out. Learn about color balance, contrast, and saturation adjustments. Next, use layers and masks. Many free editors support layers. Use them for non-destructive edits. Create masks to selectively apply adjustments to specific areas. Then, learn keyboard shortcuts. Speed up your workflow by using shortcuts for common tasks like Ctrl+Z for undo or Ctrl+S for save. Also, focus on details. Zoom in and pay attention to small details. Fix blemishes, adjust skin tones, and sharpen edges. Explore filters and effects. Free tools often offer artistic filters. Experiment with them to create unique looks, but be subtle. Less is often more. Finally, study tutorials and online resources. YouTube and photography forums have tutorials on using free tools effectively. Learn from others' experiences and techniques. Remember, professional results come from practice, patience, and a keen eye. Keep experimenting and refining your skills.
How do professionals use AI in their editing workflow? Professional photographers leverage AI in their editing workflow to streamline processes and enhance their work. Here are some ways they do it. First, automated image editing. AI-powered tools like Luminar AI and Adobe Photoshop analyze photos and automatically adjust color, exposure, and contrast. Features like background removal, object removal, and sky replacement save time and effort. Second, smart camera features. Modern cameras use AI for intelligent autofocus, facial recognition, and subject tracking. These features ensure precise focus and composition, even in challenging conditions. Third, post-processing efficiency. AI tools like Xire Photo and Adobe Lightroom automatically tag and categorize images. Photographers manage large collections more efficiently by quickly searching for specific photos. Fourth, computational photography. AI-driven computational photography combines algorithms to create stunning results. Techniques like Google's Night Sight capture well-lit, detailed images in low-light conditions. Incorporating AI into their workflow allows professionals to achieve consistent, high-quality results.
Are there any ethical considerations when using AI in photography? The integration of artificial intelligence in photography raises several ethical considerations. First, let's talk about authenticity and manipulation. AI-generated images can blur the line between authenticity and fabrication. The value of photography lies in its true depiction of reality, especially in journalism and documentary work. Tools like DeepArt transform photos into art styles, but questions arise about the authenticity of resulting images. Next, we have bias and fair representation. AI algorithms may have inherent biases, leading to unfair representation or exclusion of certain demographics. Photographers must actively mitigate bias and ensure fair representation in their work. Then, there's privacy and consent. When using AI for image manipulation, consider privacy rights. Ensure consent when altering or sharing photos of individuals. Lastly, intellectual property and copyright. AI-generated content can impact copyright and intellectual property rights. For example, NFTs or non-fungible tokens raise questions about ownership and authenticity. Navigating these ethical waters is essential as AI continues to shape the world of photography.
What are some guidelines for ethical photo editing using AI? When using AI for photo editing, consider these ethical guidelines. First, artistic integrity and transparency. Be transparent about AI enhancements and declare when AI tools are used to avoid misrepresentation. Brands and influencers especially should disclose AI edits to maintain authenticity. Second, avoiding bias and inclusion. AI algorithms can perpetuate societal biases, so ensure diverse representation in your edits. Be cautious about unintentional biases in AI-generated content. Third, privacy and consent. Respect privacy rights and obtain consent before altering or sharing photos. Protect individuals' privacy and dignity. Finally, crediting in the age of AI. As AI generates content, credit sources appropriately. Acknowledge the role of AI tools in the creative process. Remember, ethical photo editing balances innovation with responsibility.
What are some examples of ethical photo editing practices? Here are some ethical photo editing practices that professionals and enthusiasts should consider. First, authenticity and transparency. Disclose edits and be transparent about any AI enhancements or significant edits. Clearly communicate when an image has been manipulated. Avoid misrepresentation. Ensure that edited photos do not mislead viewers. Authenticity matters, especially in journalism and documentary photography. Second, respect privacy and consent. Obtain consent before editing or sharing photos of individuals. Respect their privacy rights. Be cautious when editing images related to sensitive topics, such as trauma, tragedy, or personal moments. Third, avoid unintended bias. Check for bias, as AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate biases. Regularly review your editing process to minimize unintended effects. Ensure fair representation of diverse demographics in your work. Finally, crediting AI tools. Acknowledge at AI if you use AI-powered tools and credit them appropriately. Recognize the role of AI in your creative process. Help viewers understand the impact of AI on photography and its creative possibilities. Remember, ethical editing practices contribute to a responsible and respectful photography community.
Are there any case studies on the impact of AI in photography ethics? Here are some case studies and resources related to the impact of AI in photography ethics. First, the role of the photographer in the age of AI, possible paths forward. Savannah Dodd explores the challenges and opportunities for ethical photographic practice in the context of generative AI technologies. She discusses an ethical imperative for photographers, making work with generative AI, and the speed of AI in a productivity-driven culture. Second, research and practice of AI ethics, a case study approach. This paper presents a multi-case study analyzing ethical issues related to AI across various domains. It delves into on-the-ground ethical considerations using qualitative tools. Third, 4 ethical considerations when photo editing with AI. This article discusses the multifaceted ethical concerns introduced by AI tools in photo editing. It covers authenticity, representation, and privacy, emphasizing the need for industry guidelines. Finally, case studies Princeton Dialogues on AI and Ethics. The Princeton Dialogues on AI and Ethics offers long-format case studies exploring issues at the intersection of AI, ethics, and society. Feel free to explore these resources to deepen your understanding of AI's impact on photography ethics.